What is up YouTube? Welcome back. It's your buddy Technoboy. So today what I'm gonna do is, this is the new enclosure that you have seen in the unboxing video before. This is completely made out of high quality MDF board, and this is pretty heavy and nice, and also the L-shaped ported enclosure. So I think this is gonna give me a great sound. So what I'm going to do now, this is the old enclosure that you have seen before. It's a P enclosure and I converted it to a subwoofer. So now I'm going to remove the subwoofer from here and install it here. That's the Sony Explode 12-inch subwoofer. So let's do that, and then you're going to see how the sound is going to be in here. So let's do it. Alright, so this is the speaker where that came out from this cabinet. Well, I'm gonna use this just like this now. I made it tiny holes here for the speaker wares, and seal this with this glue. Alright, so installing is done, and now it's time to test this. So let's see how it sounds. Alright, so guys, as you know, this subwoofer was connected to my Yamaha 5.1 home theater, and with an external subwoofer amp, that's 200 watt RMS MOSFET amp. So I've connected the speaker wires, and now I'm gonna play the songs, and let's see how the sound is gonna be. So here the bass is like huge and more heavier than before because of this nice L-shaped port, I think. So now I'm gonna enjoy the room shaking bass, and when I'm playing games and watching movies and all the stuff. So let's hear it again.